Hi everyone. I want to make sure that this is in Business 203, Business Communication, that you will understand the assignment that we have to do that's due on February 17th. Okay, so far pretty much all of you did the introductory assignments, some questions, but managed to do very well. I will grade, obviously I am recording this before the due date. Today is Sunday. You'll see the date that I've recorded this. All right, so I will correct your assignments on Tuesday or Wednesday for February 3rd, those assignments that you submitted for February 3rd. So for the assignments that you're going to submit for February 10th, okay, you are, sorry, not February 10th, for February 17th, okay, you're going to choose your team manager. Remember, each week you're changing your team manager, or you're not going to use the same team manager. The team manager will type his or her name in wiki number 3. Okay, now you'll notice that you have 2 wiki assignments. These are individual wiki assignments. Okay, click into your teams, find wiki number 4, and of course you're going to see this in wiki number 4. Each student in the team will revise each of the 5 paragraphs below there. So there are 5 paragraphs, okay, and you're going to revise them. You're revising them according to spelling, punctuation, writing in the U attitude, and eliminating negative words. Please do not retype the questions. Simply type the revised paragraph. So you're going to type number 1 and the revision of number 1, number 2 and type number 2 and the revision in number 2. Type number 3 and the revision for number 3. Not retyping. That's a lot of wasted energy. Okay? This is very simple. You're just revising in wiki number 4. Okay, in the wiki itself. You're not submitting anything to the assignment link. Okay, I'm pretty sure that I created a video on how to look at your wiki assignments. I'll check to make sure of that because I just realized I might not have done that. But at any rate, you all are in teams. You all have a group discussion board. You all have a group email. You don't have to use those to contact each other. You might want to use WhatsApp or any other chat facility, but make sure you contact each other. If you have any questions and you want to ask each other first, that's fine. That's the whole idea of having team assignments, that you work with each other. All right? So as long as you understand, you have until, of course, 11 p.m. Monday, February 17th to complete the assignment. All right? You're revising each of the paragraphs, okay, in the wiki. All right? For your second wiki assignment, individual assignment, you're going to go to wiki number 5, and on page 152 of your textbook in activities, you're going to retype the following letters: B, C, E, and G, just those letters. So in your wiki for number 5, you're going to do B, and whatever the sentences, you're going to revise it. C, revise sentence number C, or letter C. E, revise letter C, and G, revise letter G. Okay? In the wiki number 5. Also on the same page, in 4.3, positive and courteous expression, you're going to retype the following letters: B, whatever is in B, whatever is in C, whatever is in D, whatever is in E, and whatever is in F. Okay? Making the necessary corrections. You're going to revise that. You will not revise retype the sentences. Just simply type the corrected sentences. And you're doing this on wiki number 5. Okay? You're not submitting anything in a Word document. You're not doing anything. You're just submitting these. Again, the reason for these, obviously, as you're all very intelligent, it is to make sure that you look at writing in general. This is not your own creative writing. Believe me, you will have plenty of opportunity to do that. Right now, I'm building up. I'm making sure you understand the most important is the you attitude. Extremely important and extremely difficult to do. It's going to take you 15 weeks to at least, by the time the 15th week is over, then a good number of you are going to understand what we mean by the you attitude. That's how difficult this is. Everything else is easy. All of you know how to write a sentence. All of you know how to spell. All of you know how to make something negative into something positive. All right, making something negative from negative to positive and the you attitude are the 2 most difficult objects and themes of this course. That's why I concentrate on it. And we're going to talk more about that as we go along, particularly when you get to writing and writing your own original work. Okay, so do not retype the sentences. Now, in Chapter 4, team assignment. Okay, this is what you're going to do. Okay, this is now something a little different. In wiki number 6 on page 153, number 4.7, document for analysis, improving a negative, discourteous, and unprofessional message. You are going to make this a positive, courteous, and professional message, focusing on clarity, familiar words, eliminating negative words, and developing the you attitude. What are you going to do? Each person in the team will revise the email in team wiki number 6, and you'll see in wiki number 6 that you're going to have to revise 4.7. You are revising the email for clarity, familiar words, eliminating negative words, and developing the you attitude. The team members will, after you've typed all of this, everybody has done this first. Everyone has revised the email. And when you see on page 153 how long that email is, you're going to know it needs revision. So you're going to revise that email on page 153 in wiki number 6. Okay? You're not going to see the email in wiki number 6. You're going to go to page 153, go to 4.7, read the entire email, revise the entire email, and post that revision in wiki number 6. When the teams will come to consensus for the best revision of 4.7. Okay? The team manager will type the name of the person whom the team has chosen as the best revision in wiki number 6, and will type the reasons for the selection. All right? And there's no, it sounds good, I like it, none of that nonsense. The reason that you found this to be the best, because it was courteous, there was positive, professional, clear, familiar words, no puffed up words, eliminated negative words, and developed the you attitude. That is the criteria. That is the criteria for every piece of correspondence that you are going to do. So I don't want to hear it sounds good or it looks good or I like the person and all of this nonsense. There is criteria. You see the criteria. So the team manager, all of you are going to have to come to consensus and decide what, and that means that this assignment has to be done obviously before 11 p.m. on Monday, February 17th. So you're going to start working on this because you're going to have to get the team, every person has to type his or her revision. And based on that, you're going to decide which one is the best that the team has decided that is the best, and come to consensus based on the criteria that I have just posted. Here's your criteria: clarity, familiar words, eliminating negative words, and developing the you attitude. All right? So you see, time is of the essence. Okay? So this cannot be done at 10:45 Monday night. It's not going to work. Okay? So make sure that you all work together, get this done. Make sure that you, and don't just roll out of bed and throw this together. All right? There's another part to this next week on your assignment. Okay. And then you'll have the regular reading assignment. Do not submit these assignments. PowerPoint presentation on Chapter 5 pretty much develops what we were discussing in Chapter 4. There's a quiz to make sure you understand the concepts. I again remind you about the e-portfolio. Okay, I had posted this last week, and I will post it again next week. This week, of course, you see it, and next week, because it is the first draft is due February 24th. Okay, any questions that you have, folks, make sure you either ask each other or post in Q&A, or you can send me a text or an email. All right, folks, thanks so much. Enjoy. Have a good week. Bye-bye.